Once upon a time, there were two siblings named Lily and Max who loved to explore the woods behind their house. One day, they stumbled upon a magical treehouse hidden among the towering trees. The treehouse was unlike anything they had ever seen before. It was made of all sorts of different materials, from wood and stone to glass and metal. It had a spiral staircase that led to a rooftop terrace with stunning views of the forest. Lily and Max were eager to explore the treehouse, so they climbed the stairs and entered the doorway. Inside, they found a cozy living room with a fireplace, a kitchen with a magical oven that could cook any food they could imagine, and a library filled with books about all sorts of amazing things. Lily and Max spent the whole day exploring the treehouse. They played hide and seek in the secret passages, read stories in the library, and ate delicious food from the magical oven. When it was time to go home, Lily and Max promised the treehouse that they would return soon. They knew that they had found a special place, a place where they could always come to have fun and explore their imaginations. The next day, Lily and Max returned to the treehouse, eager for more adventures. When they opened the door, they were surprised to find that the treehouse had transformed. It was now a spaceship, ready to take them on a journey to the stars. Lily and Max climbed aboard the spaceship and blasted off into space. They visited planets with strange and wonderful creatures, explored galaxies far away, and even met aliens from other worlds. After a day of exploring, Lily and Max returned to the treehouse, tired but happy. They knew that they would always have the treehouse to go to for new and exciting adventures. Moral of the story: imagination is a powerful gift. It allows us to explore new worlds, meet new people, and have amazing adventures. So let your imagination run wild and see where it takes you.